2LO, Marconi House, London, calling.
Got the state.
10 seconds. Thank you.
Do we have to go?
Yeah.
We can go, Chris.
Okay.
Buckingham Palace announced the death of Her Majesty.
C'est la mort de Sa Majesté.
Elizabeth
This country is at war with Germany.
Later on in the day to be fairly hungry with some dealing.
It's all over. It is now. It's four. I'm gonna give you a damn good thrashing.
There is more meaning and mutual understanding in exchanging a glance.
Can I just ask you, thank you very much, Mr. President.
Where are you from?
BBC.
Okay. Here's another beauty.
Now we'll bid you good night. The next tonight will be tomorrow night. Good night.
This is the BBC television service.